Hey there, future engineers. In this video, I'll show you how to manually build a 4x1 multiplexer and a 2x4 decoder in Logisim using just logic gates. That's right. And or and not only. Let's get building. First, let's understand what a 4x1 multiplexer does. The concept. Okay, so we have 4 inputs, 2 select lines, and 1 output. The select lines determines which input is sent to the output. It's like a digital selector switch. Now we are going to build the old way, more like old school. This is a multiplexer. We have the selectors and then the input lines, but we're going to build it the old school way using just logic gates. Follow as I begin this or continue this. Okay. This is an AND gate. I'm going to select 4 of that. I'm going to change the input to 3 inputs. So going to change this one, the OR gate, to a 4 input instead of a 5. Great. Now let's add, before we add, let's shift this up a bit. Let's use the NOT gate. I'm going to use 2 of that, 1 and 2. I'm going to change their directions to face the north. Perfect. I'm going to connect my add pin over here. I need 2 of that. Great. I'm going to change their directions to face the north to be able to connect it to my NOT gate. Done. I'm going to need 4 of the same, but this time it's going to face the east direction. Now I'm going to start with the lines of connection. I want to start connecting this way. Continue my connection. I'm going to connect this over here and this to the top. I'm going to connect this to this, the NOT gate. I'm going to connect this to the other part of it. Connect connecting this to this one. This will be overlap. Great. Just need to now connect my AND gate to the OR gate. Okay, that's connected. Okay, now I'm going to add my outputs to it. This is my output. So we are done with the 4x2 multiplexer. Let's see how it works by inputting the values. Yeah, as you can see, it changes the value as you switch on and off the multiplexer. Next up, let's build the 2x4 decoder. And again, we are only using basic logic gates. Okay, so we are going to use the AND gate for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to change their input to 2 inputs. Since it's a 2x4 decoder, I'm going to use 2 of the NOT gates. Change our direction, face the south. Choosing my pins, also to face the south, connecting them to my NOT gate. Now I'm going to connect my NOT gate to my AND gate. I'm going to connect my output, which is the LED, to the AND gate. Okay, so there we have it, a decoder. Now let's see how it functions. As you turn it from the binary on, it changes and it starts to work. miss one connection here, making two on at the same time. It's meant to be one at a time. Yes, so now we have one LED on in at a time. Okay. Now let's take a quick moment to understand the difference between the two circuits and where you use them. So a multiplexer selects one of several inputs and sends it to a output which is single, as we did the first diagram or the first circuit. You often see it in the data routing, signal control, and also we have communication systems. So when it comes to the decoder, on the other hand is has one output at a time based on its values here. Okay, and it's commonly used in memory addressing, instruction decoding, and display systems. Yeah, so we can simply say with a multiplexer we have many inputs and just one output, and with a decoder we have few inputs, which is just two, but many outputs. Thus we have about 4 outputs: 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so as you can see, the testing phase shows the difference in output as we change the values or select. And that's how you build a 4x1 multiplexer and a 2x4 decoder in Logisim using only logic gates. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon.